What's up, Tesla fans? I'm Ellie with Sportline, and today we have another Model Y that we just finished customizing. Now there's two very unique aspects of this customization that we just did. Starting off with our brand new TSR 19-inch wheels. Check them out. Super cool, very sporty. TSR because TS for Sportline and R for Roadster. The up-and-coming Tesla Roadster wheel gave us inspiration to create the TSR. So here it is, first time on video, check it out. I'd love to hear your comments below. It is available for all models Tesla, and it's very exciting to share that with you today. Now, the second aspect, the interior. This car was ordered with a black interior from Tesla, and as you all know, that's a vegan interior. This customer not only wanted a white interior, but they wanted it to be leather. Let's go inside, check it out. Let me show you what we did. So here it is, check it out. This is our white leather reupholstered seat program for the Model Y. We also offer it for the Model 3. And like I said earlier, we actually used real leather this time. This is what the customer wanted, not a vegan product, to reupholster the two front seats and the rear seat. And this pattern is what we call the original Tesla pattern. So as you can see, it looks identical to the pattern, to the cushion design, to the inserts as the way it came originally from Tesla. You probably have seen in the past, we have many other videos with our signature diamond quilted pattern, and then we also have our insignia pattern. So lots of fun stuff to customize your Model Y on the interior and keep it unique. I think the white leather looks great. It feels really good. It's definitely more plush than any vegan products out there. And you know what? I think it works really well with the red exterior. You got the black door panels. You got the white leather seats that pop. It's really cool. The only thing the customer decided not to do, and I really would like to hear from you guys, your opinion, was reupholstering the door panel inserts. This area here. It's a really cool black, kind of like Alcantara suede material. Personally, I like it when we bring the color and the pattern of the seats into the door panel inserts. I think it brings it all together a little bit more. Some people think it's too much. So I'd love to hear from you guys. Should this customer have reupholstered the door panel inserts, or is it really cool just the way it is? Once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, because I know you love our Tesla videos, and we have so many more coming your way soon.